Yeah!
Huge, dude!
Bro, are you kidding me right now? Oh my... What? What's going on, guys? Welcome back. Appreciate all the views. I got Florida man with me today.
Let's get it, baby.
We're gonna get on. The plan today is some tile fishing. Never done this type of fishing. We do have electric reels we're armed with, ready to go. Bob's gonna show us the way. I have no idea what I'm doing, but we're gonna get into it. Hopefully hook up on some big ones. We got about a 2-hour ride. It's about 50-60 miles out to the spot. So we'll go ahead and make our way out there. We are gonna stop and get bait. So we'll see you guys at the bait stop. Let's get it. All right, guys, we're at the buoy. We're gonna try to get some baits here.
Look, this motherfucker's got a sand flea in his mouth.
Oh, he had a sand flea?
Look.
He does!
He had a sand, what is it? It's a parasite.
Ew, really? Ew.
What was that on the deck? We take it back now.
But I won't.
He's got another one. He's getting more. He's getting one.
One at a time, but they're good baits. All right, guys, we got some baits. We got a long ride ahead of us. We're gonna get going on. We got about 50-60 miles. Gonna go to the tile fish spot. Let's do this. Got a ways to go. Beautiful out here today. Crew's ready. We're getting situated. We'll see you guys out there. We made it out here, guys. As you can see, look around. We are out in the middle of nowhere. We're about 850 feet deep, about 50-60 miles out from the port. We're gonna get on some tiles here.
Backwards then.
Sending out first drop. Never done anything like this at all, but we're learning today.
It's down, X. It's down, X. It's down.
All right, got one on, guys.
Small boy.
Small guy.
Small guy. We'll take it. Got it floating already? It's already floating.
Nice. Because the line's going out.
Is that good? Clear. You good? Clear.
Yeah, you're good.
Okay. Want me to give another one, Bob?
Yeah, I see fish. I see fish.
See color.
I see color.
Got color.
That color?
Yep.
Oh, and leader.
Start grabbing it now. Whoa, good looking.
Yeah, that's a decent fish.
Golden cow,
Oh
boy.
my god.
Holy moly.
Yeah.
Huge, dude.
Bro, are you kidding me right now? Oh my. What?
Look at that thing, dude. Somebody grab the weight. Somebody grab the weight.
That is a stud tile.
Oh,
Yeah, bro.
That's the biggest one.
Look at that monster,
I
y'all.
thought you said it was a baby.
I heard that too.
No, he showed me the picture, and I'm like,
Always
those
got,
are
like right here.
beautiful. That's not even ugly.
Always make sure you drop the weight first.
Okay,
I called it ugly when I first seen it.
so it's just hanging down. Yep, not
Just
touching
make
the
sure.
It's ugly.
The only reason you do that is because them hooks go in there, you're possibly
Okay.
able to get pulled
Okay.
down.
The color and everything.
And then
The face.
The face looks
I
really
think,
nice too.
I think it looks
Drop it
better
down.
than a kingfish.
I usually guide it, you know what I'm saying?
Just like conventional dropping,
It's
yeah.
really blown up.
And then eventually, Bill,
That's
you
what I'm
can
saying. Like
Just
you
let
said,
go of
that
it and
was
release.
ugly.
Okay.
Like, that thing's
see these fish create little craters in the holes, and they live in them.
Okay.
Dig in the mud.
I mean,
They
they'll
stick their
have
heads
a
out
hole
and
here,
they-
and then they can come out
Oh,
wherever.
so this is like laying the mud. They don't.
Yeah,
Okay.
they bury themselves in the mud.
But they will not
They're
leave
like
their hole,
flounders.
because if they leave their
Oh,
hole,
they are?
another one
Someone
will
else
come
will
in.
take it. Okay.
Yeah, make sure you're back on
People are
bottom.
going to see that all over our timeline.
This,
Oh, yeah.
this whole thing, you're just going to work the bottom. More. Oh,
hit it!
No, missed it.
I think it needs to be checked anyhow.
Check it?
man.
Okay.
Do it. Oh, hell no.
That's a tall fish bite.
Yeah.
That or rosies or something.
Okay.
There's
Yeah.
fish down there. All right, we made bottom.
We make bottom? Did we pull out of the mud yet?
Nope. Here it comes.
Now it's getting close to the boat.
There it goes. There it goes.
Good. Line out.
Xavier, you didn't sleep last night?
Oh, it just got hit right when I let the line out.
It's alright. It's alright.
Was that a bite?
Yeah, right when I let line out.
Yeah, hit the right trigger.
One back, one down. A little more to go, probably. Alright, let line out.
Horrible timing.
Yeah, yeah.
That was weird looking.
Bring it up. I think we got robbed too. No bait. All right, guys, so here's the situation. We're over here fishing the bottom, and we're panning around always looking for fish. And over there, we're gonna find out what it is. Hopefully it's not a grouper, but it could be a tilefish. We'll see in a minute. Check it out, guys. Look at... Really?
I'm going back down, Bob.
Check it out, guys. We're over here running around, and we just picked up the floating tile. We might have got it and it just floated up, but it's coming on with us. All right, y'all. So I'm going to claim that fish. Pretty sure that was mine. We kind of talked together, and we think that was definitely my fish. Solid one in there. Box is looking good. Got 2 nice tiles in there. Trying to get a couple more. See what we can do. Jose's going down again. Florida man talking. He's ready to get some amberjack. He's Jones, and I think he's over the electric reel already. Come on, Jose.
Don't take it.
The fight.
Hey, I'll work on this one after you get Jose.
There you go. You got leader. You got leader, Jose.
That's why you're at leader.
Look out, Jen.
I'm coming. I'm moving.
All right.
He's barely hooked. Barely hooked. Hang on, Jose.
Oh, that's an amber dune. Little amber dune.
Oh, guy.
Like those. We got cockroach.
It's like taking forever to get the bottom. I think it might be there. Yeah, real high, right? Yeah.
There you go, Chris. Hold on down.
Oh, God.
Oh, there it is.
Okay.
There it is. Come on, baby.
Let's try to loosen it or what?
Not failing. What happened to
Loosen it if you need to.
You got bite? Not failing. Wonder what failed. I said, I wonder what not failed. Do you still have the weight? No weight.
You got it, baby.
One jig. That's all you have.
Yeah, bro.
I felt him eat it. He ate it on the drop, too. He ate it on the drop.
Look at this.
Damn, what happened to you?
Keep it going, baby. I'm trying to see if I can see it. No.
Had him, bro.
Jig's
You still got the jig?
No, it's gone. That's gonna get crushed.
Yeah.
Crispy. I feel burned.
You don't get another bite pretty soon.
There you go, Jose.
Got him.
Get him, Jose. Oh, me too.
We got triple. Is that Duke hooked on too? No? Before someone gets.
There you go. Keep fighting, Jake. Off the front.
I see color. I
Keep the
see
pressure tight,
something.
homie. Keep the pressure tight, homie. You got him, bud. You got him. You're here, bud. You're here. Oh, you're a leader. He's a leader. Leader. Watch out. Oh, what is this?
Whip him in. That's an eater.
That's Almaco? Nice. Show that thing the camera real quick, Mom.
You on bottom?
It's called an Almaco Jack.
Oh, yeah.
Almaco, solid eater. We got some good eating fish today. That's for sure. Look at that, guys. A little over 23 pounds. Stud goldie.
I need someone to help me out here.
Beautiful fish. See that roll? There he is. Yeah, there he is. I don't know what it is.